To prevent electric shock, it is crucial to follow established procedures and take proactive measures. Regular maintenance and inspections of electrical equipment and systems are essential to identify and rectify potential hazards, such as worn insulation, loose connections, and damaged components. Proper training and authorization are also vital to ensure that personnel are knowledgeable and competent in handling electrical systems safely. Additionally, using insulated tools and personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves, safety glasses, and arc-rated clothing, can provide a barrier against electrical shock. Furthermore, utilizing proper testing and diagnostic equipment, like multimeter and voltage detector, can help detect electrical faults and prevent accidents. By adhering to these safety protocols, individuals can minimize the risk of electric shock and ensure a safe working environment. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest safety standards and regulations, such as NFPA 70E and OSHA guidelines, to ensure compliance and optimal safety practices.